Wow. Well, I've just been muted for about an hour.
I could hear you. So
Oh, you could hear me.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I can hear you as well.
Oh, it's just YouTube. Fuck. Yeah, YouTube couldn't hear me. 1 second over here. Let me just see what I can do. Let me just turn that off. I was thinking you guys should told me by now. Yeah, you guys heard. It's just the others couldn't. Welcome, YouTube squad. You can hear me now. Beautiful. So yeah, Max is doing analysis. He'll be here soon. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, I do think buys on GJ above 164,400 would be kind of nice, because if we come above 400, we've got kind of clean candles back to that level of here, which is 165. I think 165 flat would be nice, because that's where it struggled before. Yeah, like here. So yeah, I think that should be pretty good. Pretty happy about that, and I think we should be pretty good for the time being. So yeah, so we'll see the score over here. Looking like GJ now is a little bit struggling there. Okay, so gold. Take a look at gold as well. But yeah, I think waiting for GJ a little bit higher up is going to be a bit nicer for you guys. I think getting stuck in these little tiny buys in this area is going to be a little bit shitty. I think buys with 164,400 and sells below 163,629 would be nice. I think that's what I'm going to look for. Your camera and audio just freeze the last 8 minutes. Yeah, it's good. I think you can hear me now. Yeah, you're good. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we'll see over here. Gold didn't smooth, I think. I don't know. I don't think it's done anything actually. If you take a look at the 30-minute, it looks like since 4 or 5 o'clock it's retraced, came back up. It's gonna, yeah, it hasn't done much. Yesterday, daily time frame was beautiful on gold. Wow. Mirrored the left hand side candle here, which is what we wanted to see. And yeah, we took some nice trades on gold yesterday, which is good. So daily time frame is bullish right now. Made a big rejection wick to the downside in Asian. On there, yeah. The 4-hour time frame over here. Yeah, the 4-hour time frame is a little bit nasty. Let me just show you something in a second. So yeah, daily time frame is bullish. 4-hour time frame over here is rejected the lows right now, but that doesn't mean, you know, we're changing for buys, right? All we are looking for when gold is trending in a market, so at the moment it's bearish, all we are looking for is to take the goddamn sells, okay? So wherever that happens, that's great. So these are the options that you can have, right? The first option is that you wait for price to retrace. It may even retrace above 183.2. And then what will happen is it'll come to a certain point, which will be, let me just get my annotation tool. Controller takes these trades all the time, so do I. Just close your back in the zones. When price has a big bearish move, comes up, messes around here, comes up, breaks the high, continues up, then creates some bearish resistance, probably around there. And then closing back in the zone, and then I'm going to take the sells all the way back down. That is what I'm probably going to wait for on GJ today. That is probably what I'm going to wait for. So yesterday, that gold trade that we talked about, the Jason one and the other one, yeah, came into fruition at NY and we executed. So that was nice. And we actually could have executed twice, which was the funny thing. Second gold trade of today. Oh, wow, Vincent.
I post the first one there too.
Oh, how clean is that? Fuck.
The other one was even cleaner.
Let's take a look. Did you put it in this one as well, or there?
Yeah, yeah. In this one.
Yeah, man, that's the jackpot. That.
So,
Oh wow, you got in
I'm
there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's getting in super low. That's
Oh
sick.
my god!
Yeah,
Wow.
but see, it's how strong that level is.
Yeah.
So it's
Holy
psychological.
shit.
Also.
I thought you got in
Only on
there.
10 pips. Yeah,
They
no,
were
that
all-
was like
Yeah.
I waited for confirmation.
But they were all pretty good though, right? I mean, I think I would have probably taken that one. Let's take a look. So.
Yeah.
I paper traded that one, Max.
Did you?
It's in the tiller.
Then getting in on the flip or the break of the high. Flip was, yeah, 12 pips.
Yeah.
Wow,
I waited
that's
for the
amazing.
confirmation. Yeah. So I
Yeah.
got in later because I wanted to have one bullish confirmation candle because it was so close to 8 o'clock. I wanted to see if the momentum was good.
Yeah, that's fair.
That's why
Wow.
I entered later. But I
Mhm.
already had my entry from 1824. So
Yeah,
good.
nice. That's good, man. That's good. Ah, it's easy. It's a nice buy. Beautiful. Beautiful work. So yeah, looking like GJ's coming down over here. Looking like GJ's coming down. Yeah. So, I mean, GJ, I'm going to pay attention to for taking sells over here, because I think the sells could be nice to drive it back down over here. Yeah. That's a nice retracement. You know, the retracement is like 178 pips, so it could be nice now to cause some resistance. The news as well wasn't the best. Unemployment rate's gone up. So, yeah, not looking too good. Not looking too good for the UK, which is great to see. Not. But yeah, wow. What time did that happen at? Yeah, 6:45. Nice. Bloody gorgeous. Yeah, so yeah, welcome everyone. I hope you all well. Hey, did anyone take any trades in Asian? Looks like Asian did move a little bit, but kind of just a big spike. Nothing too much. Nothing.
Got a GJ buy early on a 5-minute doji. Which one was it?
It's 3 a.m.
Yeah,
Oh shit, sorry.
it's all good.
Ah, very nice. Yeah, looks alright. Beautiful. Like 17 pips, okay.
Yeah, I got partials and then it came down.
Yeah, nice. That was nice. For real, for real. Been a GJ buy since 162.90. Ah, nice. Have you taken any partials yet? Have you taken any partials yet? Advise you probably should. You're holding? Oh wow. Okay, so what if price breaks 163.620? You still gonna hold? Because if it comes below 163.600, it's gonna be probably coming to 162.900 very quickly after. Just my opinion, but yeah. So yeah, looking like Goldie over here. As I said, I'm just gonna wait for the sells. I mean, that was fucking nice, the buys over here, but for me, I'm gonna wait for the sells later on as well. And then also keep an eye on these 5-minute entries. So the 5-minute entries that we took yesterday for NY session was, yeah. So we got in here. This is nice. So we got a, we had our trend line over here, and we also knew that price was bearish overall, so we weren't just randomly doing it. Then we got the closure. So I took a sell on that one there when we closed. I made a top wick stop loss above the previous, and then. Yeah, we got around 17 pips, 18 pips. And then, when this one finished up, because obviously we wicked back up over here, there was also another opportunity to take a trade, which was this one here. Body of the candles, like that. So then, there you go. Second one again. I've just made a look at that top wick as well. Look how nice that top wick was. And then that would have been the stinking move. And you would have missed that realistically on the 15, because the 15 pushed. If you take a look at the 15 already pushed quite a lot. And this one. But yeah, that's a way to get in on the 5-minute, which was tasty. First gold hit stop loss? No, hit TP1. Got 15 pips. Yeah. So I got in there, stop loss above. TP1, TP2, well TP1 was, yeah, right at this level here, like 14, 15 pips, so I took 80% off. But then I was like, oh man, if this runner runs over here and breaks these lows, this is going to be good. Unfortunately, we had to wick back up and then we continue later. Can I see your gold markups now? Yeah, let's take a look. So, for me, it's very, very basic that, right now on Goldie. I'm just waiting for retracements. Even above 1832 would be nice, and I'm waiting for the sell-offs later on. Because I see it happen so many times as well. Price comes and retraces, everyone tries to take buys, and then they get slaughtered later on. Yeah.
Sup, bitches?
Sup, bitches? What up, Jace? Jason, did you see a little gold buy before Vincent took it?
And I must, but I'm still on the road, man.
Yeah. Nice. It was nice.
Got myself some breakfast.
Getting some breakfast in this bitch.
Nah, I was actually annoyed. I took my wife's sister's kids to school, my nieces, and then when I missed the gold trade, I was so annoyed. I got myself some breakfast.
Oh yes. Let me just say good morning to my Gil. So yeah, we'll take a look at AJ as well, but yeah, looking pretty good for today. So AJ also had a big drop yesterday. Everything did. Is Bitcoin retraced a little bit now?
22,300.
Yeah. Oh, Bitcoin on my trust wallet looks still £80,000. Fucking hell. Still pretty shit. Okay. Daily time frame on AJ. Yeah, we nearly took an AJ sell yesterday as well. Actually would have played out, but the zone was a little bit small, so I kind of left it. Okay, daily time frame is bullish right now. Last one was bearish, so the same kind of thing as GJ. Right now, 4-hour time frames are closing kind of strong, which is interesting to see. We are eventually approaching. Sorry. In 20 pips time, we are approaching 94 flat, and that could be a level of where resistance could form. Okay, 30 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, it's not looking too good for buys, to be honest with you. And the main issue for me is the zone to the left here looks a little bit choppy. The candles are not really doing much in this area. Yes, there's clean candles above there, so you could say that maybe buys above. Yeah, like there somewhere. But my issue is, I suppose you could squeeze it out to 94,347. It's just me on the 4-hour time frame. The resistance could be caused there, which is only 20 pips away. I may want to wait for the sells later on. Maybe. A 5-minute trend on GJ, if it closes below, it would be interesting to just watch. Yeah, that's true. We'll take a look at that as well. Let's look at the 5-minute. Some viewer news came on as well. Let's take a look what this is. I'm aching from the gym. Oh my god. Like an old man. So yeah, for me, AJ sells probably below the daily, the 4-hour flip, I think, here. 93,542 area. I think that should be good. $93,542. Okay, let me just put that there so you can see the 4-hour flip. And yeah, looks pretty good. Check the wick retest on EJ. Oh, send me a chart and I'll take a look at the wick retest. Take a look, max GJ 5-minute. GJ Asian time 5-minute to trade entry closed 80% at 15 pips. Stop loss hit and fly. Nice. Well, that was good though. Good rejection that you got. A nice 5-minute rejection wick as well. Beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, the only issue with like the runners there is that because you're like right in that level, you know, it could easily just wick and tap your break even. Whereas if the only way to hold in there is getting in like that low, like so low, like a Vincent low. But yeah, beautiful, man. Very nice. Worked out nicely. Very nicely. So yeah, let's take a look at GJ now. Yeah, I'm interested with GJ over here. I have the feeling this is going to continue down at some point. I'm also careful watching JPY index due to BOG. We are to increase the purchase of... okay. Yeah, ain't looking too good. So yeah, we'll see over here. We'll see what GJ has to offer. I mean, even now, how much would your stops be in the breaks, them lows? Fucking hell, 16 pips. Holy shit. I mean, that's just massive. But 30-minute time frame is closing in 8 minutes time. Yeah, interesting. Looking like it may continue down over here. Maybe. Still look at the 5-minute time frame. 3 minutes left for this 5-minute to close. So yeah, make sure you like up the stream, guys. We'll take a look and see if we can get a trade in a sec. We'll see what the score is. But I have a feeling GJ is gonna continue bearish through London. Just because of the rejection we've already had, this starting to come to a level of resistance, and it's actually holding it. So yeah, it's kind of. I think we could be good over here. Yeah, Bri, are you thinking of what are you thinking then for sells and buys? What are people looking at? Let's get some conversation in.
So I've got the same level as you, but obviously I've got a minor one here.
Yeah.
So if it breaks this, I'm gonna be worried about that. So I would want one. I would want one in here.
Yeah.
So you just got to worry about that minor level, to be honest.
Yeah. For sure. 5 minutes breaking. Previous lows. 15 minutes going to be breaking the low of the previous. Which could be nice. Let's take a look who's on over here. Take a look at some squads. DC in the building. Looks like he's just started over here. Dr. Dollar. Let's take a look at Dr. Dollar. Oh, he's in a GJ buy. Interesting. GJ buy. So yeah, we'll see. Come on, Bright. I think we all know it's going down too aggressive to take. Yeah. Well, it's the stops as well, right? The stops are fucking massive. Yeah. I mean, buys above 164,400 as well. I think is going to be pretty good as well, to be honest with you. So that should be good too. I think. So 5 minutes left for this 50-minute time frame over here. Yeah. Has it broken the low yet? Yeah, it has. It has. This should theoretically continue down now for me. The 30-minute time frame is causing bearish engulfing. Yeah. Bearish engulfing. A closure below 830 wouldn't be bad, to be honest. Yeah. It's just the stops on GJ right now are fucking gigantic. So you got to get it on like the 5 minutes to be anywhere near what you want to be. So 4 minutes left. We will see. I think I actually think these cells are going to be pretty good. Soon. 4 minutes left for this candle to close. Push to at least 629. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Actually, let me just get my prices and stuff already. GPY index is on a daily pivot and looking continuing higher. Ah, interesting, yeah. That may help us out over here, right? For sells. JPY index, maybe. So let me just get my GJ ready over here. So has anyone taken any trades yet this morning? Anyone taken any trades yet in the YouTube squad? Taken any trades? The only thing I could probably say was probably that little 5 minute on Goldie was kind of nice. GJ, I mean, maybe you could have squeezed someone out, but for me, nothing much. Let me just move this on. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. 30 minutes close at 1850. Any pull to reject and the flip maybe an entry, but aggressive. Yeah, I think that's true. I think that could work out for sure. If this 5 minute close is bearish, then yeah, it's probably going to continue down over here. You could get the 5 minute entry. Oh my god, the 5-minute candles are like fucking 10 pips, 12 pips. Shit's on next level today. Shit's next level. Buy on GJ? Oh, we've got a buy on GJ. Nice. Where's your targets? What are you looking for? What made you take the buy? Be interesting to get a different perspective of a buy. So 15 pip stops it would be right now. That'd be kind of nice now. Just take a look on the paper in it. 14 pip stop. To continue back down to 623. 5 minutes closing. 30 minutes also closing. Very soon. Very shortly. Buy on gold, missed TP by 1 pip. Oh, bro, come on. You gotta not fall into that trap, man. Your TP is an estimate. When it comes up there, man, you trigger. You trigger, boy. You gotta trigger it. Waiting for the 30-minute? Yeah. For sure. Because the 30-minute has to make a bit of a pullback as well, maybe. Maybe. Don't know. So, if this 30-minute closes nicely, let's look at this 15. 15 looking like it's struggling a little bit, maybe. Might wait for the hourly close. Yeah, that's another option you could do for sure. Yeah. That is another option. I think so. I think. Oh, 30 minutes closed over here. Nice. 30 minutes closed below the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, 5 minutes gonna run now. Nice. Looking good though, man. Looking good. I mean, if this one makes a top wick and I can get in on the 15 flips again, could be nice. The thing is, it hasn't closed below 859. You see that, Brian? Let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute did close below though.
Yeah.
Interesting. Max, are you holding any crypto? Just for crypto that people sent me for their mentorship, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really holding any for myself. I don't really care too much about it. So, I mean, this 30-minute time frame now is closed strongly bearish. This next one's going to continue it as long as it makes a top wick over here. It would be rather nice. Where would the retest be? Right now, wouldn't it? Interesting. So if you got in now, let's take a look at the 50-minute time frame, even though it has broken the low already. However, the 5-minute time frame there, this could be your retest area, and then your stop loss. This is only if the price though did close below, and it hasn't. But I think in the next times it may do this. You see, the 50-minute didn't close below, but the 30-minute looks okay, right? The 30 don't look too bad. How much would be on the flip right now? 16 pips. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. So if this is on the 5-minute flips and breaks, that's going to be 10 pips. I may try and take this, I think. Because that'll be the 30-minute flipping. This candle has 2 minutes time. Yeah. Stop loss is going to be 163,982. So getting in on the 5-minute flip on my terminal. If it breaks that high though, then I'm just going to wait a little longer over here. Breaks the previous 5-minute high here. It's 870. Okay, so I'm going to have this on over here. Based on the 5-minute, it'll also be the 30-minute flip. Oh shit, I'm going to get executed in a second over here. 1 second. Beautiful. So I have a sell stop here at 170. Beautiful. And this will be on the 50-minute flips as well, 30-minute flips, and it's going to be based on the 5-minute stops over here. So let me just go to this one. Because then this will be the 30-minute time frame, making the top wick, rejecting, and continuing down over here. And I have to get it on the 5-minute because that's the only way to get a stop. Take a look at the 30 and the 15 now, and the 5. Let's take a look at this 5-minute closure. Closing bullish maybe, we'll see. I like that retracement though, back up to these levels at 973. Very nice. Does this previous 4-hour candle concern you? Nope. It's got already the rejection wicks for me. However, if this 5-minute closes bullish, yeah, I'm going to leave this now. So the 5-minute close bullish, I wanted it to close bearish. So delete it now, and I'm going to wait a little longer. Gonna wait a little longer, I think. Let me just move my profit targets there. Okay, yeah. I wanted that drive on the 5, and now if the 5 is making some bullish structure as well to the left hand side, I'd rather just wait a little longer. Doesn't mean that this can't work. If you do it on the 50-minute time frame, then I don't see why not. It's probably gonna work, right? Yeah. Let's move my charts there. Sorry, my trade. I'm just getting it sorted ready for later on. Why the fuck is that not working? Oh, there it is now. Fucking hell. Okay, so we are flipping now, which is good. Stop loss would be 10 pips now. Fuck. It's actually not too bad on the top wick. I may try and hop in. I might have missed it. Fuck. Didn't know the top wick was 10 pips over here. Bam, bam. That was nice. Fuck. Break of the lows. 10 pips stops. If this wicks back up to 876, I may try and take this. Got on the retest. Oh, did you now? You got it on the retest at 9 something? Oh my god, that was nice. Beautiful. Still look at the 5-minute time frame now. Yeah, we're coming downtown. Beautiful. Should have just looked at the 15. The 5 was Scaring is out. Let's take a look then. 30-minute time frame coming down, bearish, which is looking good. The hourly time frame as well is pushing down. So 634 is going to be nice for sure. It's going to be good to continue the sells. Yeah. That 5-minute trend worked. Yeah, well, it closed and then this one came up, right? It didn't break the low though, but yeah. So if I kept my flip on there, it actually would have been kind of nice over here. Got sells from 164 200. Oh, nice. Good lad, Tommy. So you got the top wick. I was so tempted to do it. The issue was for me is the retest wasn't really clear. I mean, it was probably there, but it wasn't the nicest area, I'd say. Max, when should we put stop loss to break even? Whenever you feel comfortable with. So I'd say like 6-7 pips. 6-7 pips. I think that would be pretty reasonable. Let's look at AJ as well. AJ sells below are going to be tasty. Morning all, morning. You two feel really would have been a break even already. Yeah, well, the 5-minute put me off when it closed bullish, and also the 15 hadn't closed below. However, the 30 was nice. Yeah, the 30 was good, but it wasn't nice. So we'll wait. I mean, to be honest with you, 629 is where I want the sells really. So that's where I'm going to be properly looking for them. Personally. Where I'm going to be looking for them. So yeah, we'll see 629, and then we've got a beautiful clean candle all the way to 163 200, which is going to be delightful. That's really what I'm going to be focusing on. Oh yeah. This is an example of getting an early entry. Yeah, the top wick was beautiful. I wanted it. I'd rather have got the top wick there, like I would have entered, but it's just for me there was nothing there to like retrace. Like it broke kind of here, and it's just a little bit. It's already retraced there, so I couldn't really see anything there, unfortunately. Yeah.
The retest entry was scary, Max,
Yeah.
because it's above a 4-hour flip. How many times have we talked about it and watched how GJ just plays on the 4-hour flip?
It was mainly gold that does that, I swear.
Oh god, GJ as well. You talk to Scott or someone about it. We talk about it all the time.
Yeah. Also, even on the retest, I mean, there was no real level to take it. I mean, it was just kind of like fucking like you're just taking it here and hoping.
Oh shit! You probably would have just gotten BE on GJ if you didn't secure anything.
Yeah. You would have though.
Yeah, definitely. We got didn't hit 10. Oh, BE anyway.
Did not hit 10.
Not with spreads and stuff.
Yeah, I didn't.
The thing is, I don't also kind of know what your retest level would be.
Exactly.
Because
yeah.
if you look at, the 15, like, yeah, okay, you could say, yeah, that's the level, but then this candle.
5 minutes was dirty.
Yeah, that candle had already tested that level because that one technically closed below. So, like, you've already once an area has been tested once, it's kind of then I don't know what's the word, like gone or irrelevant
Invalid.
now. So invalid, that's the word I was looking for. So this one wouldn't have been a good one to take a retest on because this candle had already done it. So if that was your level that you're wanting to take it off, you kind of needed to do it on that 15 minute. But then if you took it on that first 15 minute, well then your stops above this 15-minute candle, it doesn't, and you're getting in at that line where your stops are bloody huge. Like it wasn't I don't think. Whereas to be honest, your potential retest line for me, the way that I tend to like doing it more is I'm not as big as taking like the lower time level. See, I look at this and go, okay, that's a solid level there. That it's like if this one closes below and then comes up and retests this area, and it's the 4-hour flip, and maybe you can get your stops behind this 15-minute candle as well, and that would be more so of what then I would personally, for me anyway.
Yeah, I think I would have. Yeah, 30 was actually not too bad. Yeah, the retest. I mean, you're looking on the 5, it wasn't clean, right? Whereas the other times when we see it, it's right there. It's slap bang in the face. Um, so yeah, beautiful. I'm still waiting. 634 I think is going to be perfect for us. Goldie Boy is continuing. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, buys with 1832 could be nice, but as I say, I'm going to wait for the rejection, the fake out back into the zone later on. I'll be watching the 5-minute like a hawk there. Godslayer, all love, my man. Hope you're doing well in your life. Hope you have a great life. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah, yesterday we took that beautiful trade, which actually was pretty much double our losing one. Yeah, it was pretty good. So not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah, looking like GJ may be struggling to continue so far. We'll see though, the 5-minute time frame right now is, yeah, a minute left. It's making the top wick. It's retesting on the 5 minutes. It's kind of nice. But for me now, it's too close to this level. I'd rather just push to here and then take the sells below 629. Yeah, 629 is going to be nice. So yeah, let's take a look. Is Dr. Dollar still in? Oh my god, is that guy holding it? Dude. Oh wow, no fucking way. My not on his stops by a fucking pip. Holy shit.
And he was in a buy earlier the morning before the news.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Before the news. Yeah, that news came out, and I was like, oh, I would not want to be in the buys right now. GJ has not been putting any positive news into this market after a while now. That's not too good. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look. AJ still messing around as well. So wow, looking like GJ's continued to push back up over here, but it's just in this zone, right? So riskier sells are here, but the proper sells are below. Using 164016 as a resistance, this could be an hourly fake out. Looking left has fake out at this level. Yep. So we're looking for. That's what I'm praying for. That'll be good. Just right now, to get into GJ is kind of hard because the stops are so fucking meaty. I'm going to try to hold this daily flip, 164100. Ooh, nice. Max, don't you think putting stops to break even at 5 to 6 pips early? I said 6 to 7, but yeah. As it can pull back and hit TP. Yeah, but it can also pull back and put you into drawdown and lose the trade. For me, every time it comes 7 pips or 8 pips, it normally should run to 10 pips at least. And if it doesn't and comes back to your entry, that happens once in 3 million. It's a very low probability. Sometimes it happens a lot in certain times, but for the most part, it's pretty good. It's all Wikipedia and GJ, yeah. A little bit Wikipedia this morning. It's okay though. That's okay. Wikipedia. Wikipedia. So yeah, that 50-minute close bullish. The hourly time frame has got not too long yet. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see where this closes. This 30-minute time frame, because the 30-minute time frame has came back and wicked up, so it is holding this 163870 as a big support. Hey, your music sounds cool. What track? This coffee house jazz. I saw Dr. Dollar yesterday saying that people who have this copyright stuff on their streams is because they are demo traders. Well, the funny thing about it is the reason why I actually use this kind of music than normal music is because if you don't do that, your YouTube video gets blocked. So in the next days, people can't look back on your trade. So that's why you can avoid your shitty ass trades in a session, because you can delete your thing because you're putting copyright music on. So I'd rather have all my YouTube videos there. Thank you very much. So yeah, we'll see with this GJ over here looking like it's making some bullish structure. Interesting. Price is just in an ugly zone now, nothing for me to trade. Yeah, agreed. Easier for above 400 and below 629 for sure. Much easier it will be. Wow, gold just hit my TP, but I got out of break even. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. 4-hour GJ bullish, yeah, it's bullish, but was rejecting quite hard over here. So yeah, but looking okay now. Maybe the buyers may play out over here. And then we'll take the buys later on, I think. Maybe above. Maybe above. Can I see your AJ chart? Yeah. AJ may be looking good for buys as well. Later on. Take a look over here. Why can't we take a buy after the 50-minute close bullish for GJ? Well, this one? Yeah, you could do, but I mean, it's just holding support, right? There's nothing really else giving you, because the 30-minute still, you know, the last one still closed bearish. But yeah, you could have. I mean, how much would your stops be in there? 22 pips, yeah. Stops are massive. But yeah, we should be continuing bullish. So new here, what is FOREX? Max, how are people in the UK coping? Seems like unemployment went up. Great. Why isn't your zone on the bodies of the AJ? Because the left hand side here looks like shit, and it's on the bodies of these candles to the left hand side. It's too choppy in that area for me. Yeah. Would those possible buys after the 7:30 bullish closure above range be classified as a range 1 breakout? Is this on GJ or AJ? Or gold, sorry. Yeah, those gold buys there were perfect, man. Yeah. Very good, very nice. You taking any trades yet? Nope, we're waiting. Waiting patiently for GJ to get out of this little range over here, and I'm waiting for later on gold sells back to the lows. Yeah. See, it happens so many times, price runs up here. You can get into buys a little bit earlier on, but when it comes to these highs over here, it starts to struggle, and then you take the sells back down. So that's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. Let's take a look here. Oh, no way this reflip in the 30-minute. How long has it got left? 8 minutes left. Interesting. 8 minutes left. But the way it's acted in that area now, I'm just gonna wait until it probably closes, right? Wait until it closes. Any questions, guys? I'll take a look. GJ fake out, and there's not a. It's not a fake out, man. I think, you know, it's just. Well, on the 15 we haven't even closed below, so it hasn't faked out. The 30-minute you could potentially see it has kind of faked out, but it's right at support. It's not a strong candle, right? So, what was your bias for gold and GJ? GJ, bearish, gold bearish, both bearish. Yeah, you could say the 4 hours bullish on GJ, but the overall trend is still bearish. So I'm just gonna, you know, if this is the 50-minute time frame, I always say this, right? If you want to know where price wants to go, if this is the 50-minute time frame, you know, what are you waiting for over here? Well, I'm waiting for a retracement and then a sell back down. Unless we start making the sell back down and then a support, I'm not, you know, I'm not in bullish bias. I'm very much bearish. Very much bearish for me. 50-minute reflipping, fucking hell. On some next level shit today. Next level shit. Oh, Dr. Dollar, no, he's in that fucking trade. My guy got into some profit and now straight back in a drawdown. Shit. That's good though, rejection though, especially for this 8 o'clock open. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So reflipping now. So if you get the reflip now, your stop loss would be 23 pips. So yeah, it's massive, but this is looking good now to continue. Bearish. Bearish. Stop losses. Max, have you ever noticed when there's no top wick or bottom wick on the candle, the next candle makes a steep wick and drives in opposite direction? Oh, really? What, when it's closed and there's no top wick or bottom wick? I haven't actually seen that. In this situation, I always wait for break of the 4-hour high or lows. That's a good idea. Max, I am learning your speaking style. So looking like it's coming down now, nice. Looking nice. Break that low, bitch. Break that low, bitch. Break it! I think Donovan's selling GG. Yeah, boy. Running them up. You'd be on that 30-minute flip, right? Be on that 30-minute flip, boy. Thoughts on UJ? Send me a chart, I'll take a look at it. But you should, you'll know what to do. You'll know what to do. So yeah, 629. I'm waiting for patiently, as I've said, fucking 50 billion times. Gold is continuing up. Nice. But yeah, that news didn't really do too much, though, did it? That news didn't do too much. Let me just move this over here. There we go. Do do do. So yeah. So when I move to Leeds, I'm gonna get a third monitor. Oh, I can't wait. Fucking 3 monitors. It's gonna be amazing. Hello, host. Like Don. Do you mean Don? I think you mean Don. Yeah. Don's my boy. Even though he should be on his fucking holidays and not trading. His girlfriend must be hella pissed with him. My girl would not let me anywhere near the charts. I'm on holiday. What area are you moving to Leeds? Like literally city centre. I'm right on like a balcony, like the fucking like next to the train station, pretty much. Yeah. New Zealand dollar buys above. Yeah, beautiful. I like how you've done this, right? You've looked to the left and gone, you know what, this area from here to here is 10 pips and it's not worth it because it's quite a lot of traffic, so I'd rather wait above. Beautiful. I like that. Yeah. 782, beautiful. Sells below. Yeah, that could be nice. Nice to, yeah, 17 pips to the lows over here, where you could have some trouble. Beautiful. Beautiful, sorry. So, yeah, I mean, this closure isn't going to be the nicest, right? I mean, it looks bearish. I have a feeling, you know, if I had to guess this 15, if it closes bearish, the next one should close bearish as well. But it's, yeah, it's not the nicest. Yeah. Why Leeds? Because my girl's there. Yeah. I've been doing long distance with her since I've met her, so it's kind of time to maybe not do that. And I met her when I was 18. I'm nearly 22. That's fucking effort. For 2 of the years she's been in Leeds, it's been like a 2-hour drive. And I didn't have a car for half of the time. At uni didn't have one. Is she Chinese? No, she's not. She's Irish. Is she Chinese? Fuck's sake. She's Vietnamese. Fuck's sake. Still like a Goldie. Goldie looking like it's still continuing. Nice. So, them 5-minute plays there would have been glorious. Fuck. I put the stream on at that time as well. Should have paid attention. Yeah, same thing again. 3 touches, closure above. I mean, it's standard now. It's standard. That's good that you paper traded that one as well, Brian. God, it's just because every time we're entering on like a bullish like really strong candles in the direction we want it to go to. So even it looks like also when Jason, it doesn't work out for Jace. He's at break even because it does move a little bit and then it closes maybe bearish here and then you kind of just go, I can just get out at break even. That's another good thing about it.
Yeah, because you're either going to get the break or you're going to get the retest or you're going to get support and resistance form, right? There's 3 cases that can happen.
Yeah, without you just snapping your stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sick.
You can trust it, guys. I have like 2,000 backtested trades in my journal, so it's fine. It works. Easy, quick, quick.
You are following a girl. You are a simp. Read rational male. She should follow you. Yeah, but remember, I can trade anywhere. She's a lawyer. She can't just do fucking lawyer in a bedroom, can she?
Bet that guy is very popular with girls. He talks like that. Not the 30s anymore.
He's seen Andrew Tate too much on TikTok.
I think baby dollar just got slapped.
Yeah.
Max is just fucking thinking through his old fella. I think he's like, oh yeah, baby. Time to go.
We did not take gold. No, we didn't, my man. It was a little bit too early. Yeah, I started the stream at 7 today. 6:45. What's the requirement for that minute 5 trade to the trend line? Just 3 touches and a break? Yeah. A closure above the trend line, yeah. So hourly has no top wick yet. However, it's bearish. It's doing what I expected, which is good. The zone below is huge, so as long as you don't fucking run off 60 pips in this next 50-minute candle, which I don't want to jinx it, to be honest. It could be okay. If not, I might get AG. Because now it'll be 4-hour flipping as well. Yeah. If we miss GJ, I'm just gonna hop on AG. Boom. Hourly time frame. Okay, what are you looking for over here? We can't take buy after the closure above the 1 hour. Okay, I see what you mean. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, I mean, you know, the only issue I have here is, yeah, the 1 hour's closed above, but look at this rejection wicks and look at where you're coming to. I think it'll come to 1832, right? However, at that level, it's gonna have some issues because this is support. Can you see? I mean, it's the body of the candle's there, and then obviously this is resistance. So it's gonna have some troubles in that area. That's the only issue. If you got into buys on gold, I think the way to have got it was probably on the 15 was there. Oh fuck me! Oh, this is the hourly time frame. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, so probably something like that. You would have got 15 pips. Yeah, with a 13 pip stop. I think that was reasonable. Now, can you see over here as well? The candles are getting smaller and smaller. That normally scares the fuck out of me because there's only one candle that comes later on and just whacks them all out. And you don't know which one that is. GJ closure below is nice ride. Oh, my actually hourly has a top wick on there and my MetaTrader, which is good. Yeah. Fucking hell, just GJ, just take a sell at London Open, you'd be good.
I'm actually bullish on GJ, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
The fuck? You get your chart
So
inverted or something?
If you check the 15-minute, right? So we've closed above a resistance, and that overall trend there is kind of bull. So for me, it's just I see a break and retest.
I see what you mean. Yeah, on the 15. I thought you meant a higher time frame.
Also, like break and retest to at least test Asian highs, and then you know we haven't even tested Asian highs, so we've came close, but
yeah, I saw official Lin's has the actual Asian stuff on. I might put that on. Yeah, it's kind of nice.
So your sales below area is like, I'm also looking to buy there. I can see.
Only if it closes. Only if it closes. Let's look what dollar's doing now.
Dollar's been slapped, I'm sure.
Oh, now he's in a sell. 3 trades this morning. So there we go. Gold coming up to 1832. Where the next resistance is, which it could have a little trouble on. Yeah. There's no top wick setting getting me mad though. Yeah. Yeah. That is the only issue. We'll see how it behaves. Oh, thanks, Michael. You got the Asian thing. I'll take a look at it.
Yeah, it worked nice.
Yeah,
put in long time ago.
I like. I see market as top wick, yeah. Me too. Kyle, I saw that you could have taken 2 trades in gold on the 5-minute buy and sell. Oh, I don't know if it's a sell. Is this today? I'm watching GJ on my terminal, and it's always pushing and then retracing quite a lot. It's not nice, and that normally just suggests that it's maybe at a rejection zone. We'll see though with this closure. Yeah, and if I do miss GJ one way, I'm just gonna take AJ, I think. Yeah. I'll get ready for GJ just in case we do. Where could you have taken the 5-minute buy and the 30 after the buy? This is where I could have taken the buy on gold if I was not in bed. So it would have been that closure, right? Yeah. There you go.
And if you missed that, there was also the 30-minute closure above.
Yeah. Wow, how far did that run? Fucking 50 pips or something. Beautiful. And it's kind of clean, right? To the left hand side, it's got a nice little area here to fill, so that's when you could run maybe. 7 minutes time, so it's still got half the time left. Interesting. The only thing for me is that this London really, with that volume, should have broken them lows and just continued further down in the area. Why hasn't it not done that yet? Max, check this chart. Okay, I'll check this chart over here. Right, I'm just gonna get my signal ready as well, and then I'll take a look at that. Just in case we do close below, I will be ready. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, we'll see if we get a closure below. Let's take a look then at this chart. I think someone's got the Asian things on. They want me to check it out. What's this? I forgot even how you fucking did this. Oh shit, I need an X there. Ah. So this is Asian, this is NY.
Yeah, mine is look a little different. Yeah, I'm sending you right now.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, I think he's much cleaner.
Ah, yeah, it gives you the little lines. Yeah. Keeps it clean. Keeps it clean.
Yeah, and I see after we break the high on spot or the low, we most of the time retest the line.
Yeah. Oh yes. Gold at 5-minute entry. It was still risky since 10 minutes till new on our candle. Yeah. But got high enough before. Well, that's what you'd do, right? You'd wait until the hourlies and then you'd put a stop loss to break even. That's what you'd do. That's what I would do anyway. GJ on my terminal is not looking nice, man. It's fucking... Look at these 5 minutes. If that 5-minute breaks that high there, you're fucked. For sells. If people got in a little bit earlier. If you got in right at 8 o'clock...
Actually,
huh?
Sorry, no, I was going to ask, did you watch the World Cup qualifiers of
No,
Australia?
I haven't recently, actually. I haven't...
I had to check that goalkeeper. So he was the backup goalkeeper. They brought him on just for penalties.
Yeah.
That guy he was like, you remember the Champions League final of Liverpool?
Yeah.
2005. All his penalties, he was doing that shit. Yeah, it's like cool, man. It was crazy. I thought Fundy was probably watching this shit.
Yeah.
Crazy, man. Aussies, crazy. Aussies are mental, bro. Honestly.
What did we do?
You won on penalties, man. I thought you watched it. It was crazy.
World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah,
World
yes,
Cup
the World
qualifier.
Cup, yeah.
Did we win?
No, not
Yeah,
the
you
whole,
saw
not
in
the
the
whole
World
World
Cup,
Cup. He went the fucking qualifiers, whatever.
No, the game, the match last night.
Yeah.
I saw some videos of some Aussies going fucking crazy. I just thought they were.
That goalkeeper, man, he was so lit.
We're bad
It's
motherfuckers, that's why.
self-been
3 appearances. 3 international appearances.
bad
like, boy,
motherfuckers.
you know. He's a legend now, bro. I think he was chicken. You could max that penalty shoot.
Does it have range to the downside? The 15 GJ, there's a level on the left. Here? Oh, are these ones here? Closing in 2 minutes time. Stop loss on the previous is 25 pips. And I don't trust these these sells, and not because of the higher time frame, just because of the way these 5 minutes tap in this area, wicking back up. Interesting. So Jace, where would you be looking for taking buys in on GJ if you're looking?
So it's on that. Let me just annotate. Actually, much lower. So to me, it would be a break and retest of that area.
Yeah.
So I got all the way through over there.
Yeah. Makes sense. Okay, it's
Because
5.
we broke it down and we retested it.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. AJ looks
Guys,
good.
ahead of all. So for NY.
Oh, AJ does look good. Fuck yeah. That's great. I just go on the YouTube chat. AJ Max, AJ, like a fucking AJ. Oh, the stops on AJ are fucking massive as well. So yeah, maybe AJ over here. So look at GJ. So look at the 4 hour and AJ. Yeah, bearish. Very, very nice. 15 strong closure. So let's take a look then. Where would the retest be? It'd be at 597. And then you could have your stop loss above. So 597 would be here. Stop would be 12 pips. Break of lows, I swear to God, if this just breaks, then great as well for it. But yeah, I can't put my stops right now. Let's look at GJ as well. Close right at support. Close right at support. So this is when the impulses come in, and yeah, you can have a go at that for sure if you guys fancy it. I will not be participating. Morning, sat here watching how it's done. Just starting my trading journey, learning journey. Amazing, amazing. What I like to see. I'd be interested in this if it makes a top wick. Does the no top wick not bother you on GJ? Yeah. AJ no top wick. Oh, sorry, here as well. Yeah, yeah. Is it on the 30 as well and the hourly? Yeah. I won't get on the retest in that case then. I'll get in on the break of the lows again after it's came back up. Yeah. There you go. Look at GJ reacted heavily on that support, which may mean AJ may continue up as well. Oh.
All that talk about football made Jason is a gold sell.
Ah, yeah.
10 pips. 11.
So let's take a look then. Was it this small? Where was it? Where's the three touches?
I'll draw up a chart.
Yeah, yeah.
Chart. It's a bit of a riskier one, but this is one that Jason would certainly have taken. if I was going on about some goalkeeper or something.
Some goalkeeper. Mate, that goal is just vibes.
Yeah, it's a bit scary when you first start doing it, but if you start doing it on micro lots and you see it really work and you see the results on your screen, and it's more blue than red.
Yeah.
It helps with confidence.
Yeah, it's good win rate. What would you say your win rate is on it?
Certainly above 80%.
Wow, that's mint. For me, I can't. I mean, I could see that this one here, and then with the buy one be.
Now, since gold is trending bullish lately, it's riskier to sell.
Yeah.
But I already got
that's
That's 3 touches. I don't know. That's I'm not the expert in it by any means, but that's 3 touches.
Put my chart in the.
It actually looks much better, actually, yeah, because then Oh no, you did.
See how you.
Oh yeah. I see,
That's why I use the wicks.
Yeah.
Bearish one below. I went in on the flip, got my 10 pips.
Nice. Got your 10 pips and you are out. Beautiful.
10 pips to break even, and if it hits, it hits. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, boy.
Risk free, almost.
Almost there.
And I'm waiting for it to buy it back up.
Yeah. So, I mean, AJ has closed below. My only issue is this GJ moves AJ quite a lot as well, and I don't think GJ is going to go down, so it's kind of putting me off. If you get on the breaks to the low, that'll be 8 pips now. I mean, that's not bad, right? Just look at the 5 minutes. So your entry would be here. Stop loss would be 491. Okay, GJ pushing up. Let's look at the 30 minute. 10 minutes left for this 30 minute and it's got no top wick in the hourly. Yeah. I think I'm going to leave that. How long has the hourly got left? 39 minutes. It's quite a lot of time to make that top wick as well. Yeah. I'm going to leave it over here. So Goldie. I love drawing these trend lines. They're fucking fun now. Like, the wicks. So would you do like that or like that, Vince? Would you do
Yeah,
like
even
this?
even higher, because the move I took happened 10 minutes ago. So even more to the left too. On the.
No, I know that,
movie.
but now you'd say that this is a new trend now, like, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
but now I wait for price to find its way.
No, I know,
It's
but I'm just
cool
saying if you,
yeah.
I'm just saying if you drew the trend line, okay, imagine how
Yeah.
this was. Would you draw it there, in the middle, like there, or there?
No.
Body.
The bottom of the wick.
Yeah,
Because that's where
bottom,
price
so like that.
reacted.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where price ultimately reacts.
Yeah. Wicked.
So it gives you a better idea of what might be happening.
Yeah.
Always tops or bottoms of wicks.
Also, you have to also pay attention to like your normal support and resistance. It's not just a matter of okay, I see a trend, boom, boom, boom. No, you also need to mark up your chart. You know, okay, here's an area over here, so that you can also you're just preparing yourself for if something happens. If you get a rejection, you know why. AJ is flipping.
God, it is. Right, I'm going for it. So, I got a sell stop on at 491. Okay, should be activated in a second, not yet. Wow, that happened quick, holy fuck. So, haven't been activated yet, hasn't broken the lows yet. But should do shortly. Okay. Put me in over here. 9 pips stop. Filling that wick would be nice. Some good rejection. I think we're yeah. The Goldie, the resistance forming could be nice later on though for sure. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I'm getting out. I'm out. For me, the issue I have is this GJ. I think for me is gonna put it off. So close full at -1 pips over here, man. That's a fucking trigger finger. I'm happy with that. People in, great. For me, the way it was moving on MetaTrader, I'm just not taking that risk. Every time it kept on wicking up, I can see it here, look. Because it's coming to 490 and going, nope. So yeah, I got out pretty much -1 pip break even. So I didn't trust it. Didn't trust it. If you don't like it, get out. What broker do you use for the UK? IC Markets, my man. IC Markets, man. If you're in this trade and you're holding it on, I'd say at that wick. But for me, the way it was moving on the fives over here, and also this 5 minute goes bullish, and the other one didn't have a top wick. That's also put me off. Yeah. I just have it a break even here and hope. I just don't think this is going to continue, so I was out. Someone saying please, please.
Bitch.
What?
Oh, sorry. Shit, but Mike is like, nah, tap my break even.
Yeah, man. I was not trusting this.
I got in on like like 5:30. I got in earlier, so as we came up, and as we rejected, so I basically sold at the support area. So I was like in before you.
I mean, that's probably, yeah, I wanted the retest a little bit higher up, but yeah. For me, and also I saw this 5 minute here. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna risk this, especially because the Audi has no top wick. I'm like, fuck that. It plays out here nicely, but yeah, I'm not. GJ over here holding some support. Oh yes. So 30 minute coming over here. Owlie's gonna be making the top wick interesting. AJ looking like it is continuing down.
Bitch, man. But it's like it's landing open and it's like really slow, man. And
yeah. To be honest with you, the main thing that's put me off is that it always follows GJ and GJ is fucking ripping up. That's literally one thing that's put me off. Like, you know what? Fuck that. I've seen it happen way too many times. GJ looked like it did a retest on the 15. Let's take a look. Retest? Oh, for a sell? The thing is that you haven't got the first stage, which is the confirmation. It hasn't closed below. Yeah. So over here, if you took that AJ trade, you would have been at break even there again, and yeah, it would hit break even. So we'll go break even. Bro, learned a lot from your closure setups. Thank you for sharing. Oh, thank you very much. Bro, you really inspired me to stick to my game plan and have patience. Cheers. Amazing. GJ made the top wick. Oh, hasn't on the terminal yet, but looking like it may do. Looking like AJ's working out. Yeah, for me though, 5-minute area here. Owly has no top wick. GJ's going the other way. It's like, no, no, no. What I like on AJ is sometimes if you miss GJ, AJ will follow. And if I'm doing the opposite here and I know GJ is reacting on that support, hell no, I'd rather just get out. So that process there of just not liking something and getting out is a massive, massive thing that, you know, you see Raja doing a lot of times when it's not looking too well or he's not liking it anymore, he's just getting out. For me, it's a massive step that you have to take where you can just click the X, right? You can click the X. Clicking the X is all you've got to do. Because of AU pushing down, like. I'm going to be quite interested in looking for sells, I'm not going to lie, because if this rejects over here, it's going to continue back down to the lows. And it's already, the 4 hours tapped where I wanted it to, which was, well, 1830 was the way I wanted it to, so. I may wait patiently over here for some. So looking like GG over here, kind of Wick City. So I wonder, let's take a look at other streamer. Did Doctor close his? So I know this one didn't work out and he lost it, and then he took a sell as well. What did he do with this one? Let's take a look.
Do you like to hold your? You have 10 pips. Well, you won't
Drop. Rip.
I'm changing my phone.
Oh, I hit break even. Yeah. Good lad. I'm happy you did that. Because that push there, if price comes back to your entry now, it's really, really struggling. Still in AJ? Oh, nice. Someone's still in it. It's been so choppy today with no easy buy-ins, especially when I can only have a small stop loss. Yeah. That's the thing, man. That's the only issue you have. You've got to wait for a little bit more over here. You're either getting on the 5 minutes, which is, you know, something new, which is annoying, or you don't get it all. Max, show me your gold trend line. Yeah, here. So this 15 closed pretty much on it. So if you got into a sell right there, stop loss is going to be 20 pips. Look at the 15 now. So started the 30-minute. What do you think about this, Jace? Would you have it more there?
To be honest, I haven't charted gold up after I missed there. I'm serious. I'm watching AJ and it's going down. Downtown.
TP1 hit there nicely. Yeah, I just didn't have faith in it. Worked out nicely though. 5 minutes did as well. How many times did it wick back up to 480 there though? Yeah. So it got to 5 pips profit and then still wicked up. Worked out nicely though, but for me when the GJ isn't doing that, kind of scares me a little bit. Actually secured 10 pips, nice. Took the AJ. So when are you going on holiday and how long? Do you leave the group alone for that time or what? Because I think I want to join, but I don't want to miss the whole week. So it's the start of July. I go on holiday, so it's like the 3rd. Is it the 3rd of July? The 6th. I think it's the 6th of July. I go on holiday for a week. But I'm gonna have to put things in place where Brian's gonna be teaching if he wants to, and some other people. So yeah, there'll be stuff going on. Don't you worry. Half these guys will be in the squad zooms probably. So yeah.
we can hold the fort, man.
Yeah,
They
boy.
must stop playing us.
Hold the fortress, boy. So look like AJ did work. Nice. I mean, it worked out nicely for people holding on. The stop didn't go anywhere near, so it worked out nicely. But for me, I just the GJ really put me off, to be honest.
Like I was 5 pips in profit, and usually when I'm 5 pips, I break even. Like that is my
On
discipline.
AJ.
On any,
On any.
I'll always go 5 because
Even on
I want
gold.
that, even on gold, I want that push. I want that drive. So we shouldn't come back. Like once I get my push, we should not come back.
Yeah.
So even on gold, man, gold is so fast, man. Gold will slap the shit out of you.
Gold will slap the shit out of you, boy. I'm going to be looking very much so in these areas when we come to them areas for the sells, and I'll be looking on the 5 minutes to get in for sure. So AJ was the trade. Nice. GJ has been messing with people today.
Plus, I don't trade often. I used to. The only time I was trading it was during Asian session when Fahad was trading it. It was those hourly moves, and it was nice then, you know. But I don't like. I'm literally just on the 3 Nash, GJ, and Gold, and I love the 3 of them. Like I love the threesome, actually foursome between them. So obviously, I have. During London NY, I will just look at GJ and Gold. I won't really look at AJ. And obviously in Malaysia, I will have a look at GJ and Nas.
AJ, you gorgeous boy. Should come down to 285 eventually. But take some profits as well. If you guys took that. Make sure you come and like the stream, guys. Like the stream, squad. So this week taking 1 trade already, and yeah, we'll see. Hell has it tried to cash out that money, and you have the answer. So yeah, vacays in the start of July, which should be nice. GJ over here making some bullish support. Stop loss would be 24 pips. 12 pips on the current candle. Yeah. So Jason's looking for. If you took a buy there, I mean, your stop loss would be there. 1 second. How would that look like on the 5 minute? That's actually not bad, you know. If it breaks the highs, look at the 30 minute. It'd be 30-minute break of highs as well. That's actually not too bad. That's actually not too bad. How long left for this candle? 9 minutes left. So if it does break that high, yeah, this could be kind of good to continue bullish. So, and it hasn't broken the high yet, has it? Oh, I did a little bit, but not too much. 164. Yeah, I think I might get in over here on the highs. The high will be at 860. Strong bullish closure, and it's also rejected the support level pretty nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna go for this. If it breaks the current candle highs, let's put this on over here. $18.60. Look at how that looks like in the fives. 5 minutes got 3 minutes left. This just come back and wicks up and breaks the high. Should be nice to continue. Back to the highs. What your stop's going to be? Current candle lows. Because then that'll be 30-minute breaking of previous 30-minute highs. Yeah. Took 10 pips on UJ short. Oh, nice. Stop loss is going to be 730. So make sure to manage your lot sizes because it's like 13 pips. It's a little bit more over here. Goldie's looking a little bit nasty now. Jason laughing. Also be nearly flipping the 4-hour highs as well, so that'd be kind of nice. Yeah, flipping the 4-hour. Yes, sir. Gold 5 minutes playing with people. Yeah, but when you start to see it, you just leave it alone, right? Man, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Take a look at this 5 minute. Look at them rejections. 750. I like. Yeah, it's because AJ's moving with AU. It's all good. It's not Korean today. Five minutes, 58 seconds left. So the more this goes down, the less probable we're gonna get the push and the drive. So I gotta monitor that as well. Yeah, the 5 minute. If it breaks this current 50-minute low here, then I'm gonna have to delete it because the stops are gonna be too big. Stops are
I just don't like that area, Max.
You think?
So
Yeah.
I don't want to play in this.
You're waiting below, boy. The 5 minute. How do you type so fast in Signals? Because I already have them like there. Are you from the Manchester area, Max? No. Not at all. I'm from Newcastle. My man naked back again. You should be 2 wins now, won 1 yesterday. Yeah, but the ones in NY I don't count on stream, right? Because they're not on stream. Yeah. Yeah, if you want to, for sure. Yeah, if you want your stops bigger like that, then you can. Yeah, if you have confidence in it, for sure. It's 3 AM over here in NC. Where's NC at? Alan Shearer is a Newcastle hero. Shearer! Alan Shearer. Hope Naked HT will catch these GJ pies. Actually, a little higher over here. It's 860. Okay, so 3 minutes left for this 50-minute candle over here. It doesn't look too good. I'll give it another minute, and then I'll delete it. Do, 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 do. Three-minute bearish candles are closing very, very weak, but they're still there. Let's take a look here. So 2 minutes left. This 50-minute candle is going to close bearish. So yeah, I'm going to delete my buy stops over here. Too close to the closure. Too close to the closure. Looking like Goldie's coming down. Ooh. That'd be the closure. 23 pips stopped, a little bit beefy. The zone down is it's 30 pips.
You really have to put your trend line on the wicks if you want to teach.
There.
To begin. Yeah, and the other on the beginning.
So that one hasn't closed below.
Nope. Not yet. You see?
Not yet.
There's a big difference, you know. It's a safety thing, you know.
The wick.
Can't be sloppy on gold. It's better to miss out on a trade because it runs too fast than to get in at the wrong place because the trend line is not drawn correctly. You really have to be careful on gold.
Yeah.
There's plenty of opportunities during the day, but yeah.
To be honest with you, I didn't even like the 5 minute in here anyway. Isn't nice. It's choppy. It's not clean like this. Clean break.
So I'd rather wait for it to go down and then wait for a nice setup to buy it back up again.
Yeah.
Just lately, it's been it's looking like there's a reversal coming. So it's safer to buy.
I was actually in that day.
Yeah, of course you are.
Yeah, so I basically I took like the 5 minute support. So if you draw support line, so we closed above. I mean, we closed below the 5 minute.
Yeah. 5 minute support. I can see it.
Support line over there, close below.
I can see it. Yeah.
Zero drawdown, zero. I'm breaking even. 80%.
I'm break even. So now it has closed. I mean, yeah, you'd be a break even there now. That top wick could be okay. Maybe GJ ranging after a big Asian session. Yeah. It's justifiable for sure.
Definitely. It just tapped me now. Bloody hell.
How far did it go down?
Yeah, I took 80% at like 13 pips on gold and then tapped my break even.
Fair.
It took quick, but like Vincent is saying, there is so many opportunities. You just need to pay attention, you know, you need to be on it, always watch it. Because they present themselves so often. Like that was a quick move. 5 minutes, you know. Like, and that's why I like the 5 minutes on gold because of how quick the move plays out.
Get a nice closure. Yeah. It's looking like DJ coming back down. It's still, I still want it below over here. It's just in a nasty area. Nasty ass area. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Yeah, so AJ was an opportunity for me. I didn't like the way it was moving. Finally did play out, and GJ those buys just before the stream started were clean. Is this also 15 closure? Yeah. Wow. Max, do you read your charts if you send in pairs other than GJ and gold? Yeah. Isn't GBP being hit by inflation? I think everywhere is, but yeah, sure are. We sure are. Some beefy inflation fucking us up. It's not a vibe, I tell you that. Whilst everything's going up though as well, everyone's like, oof, break even hit on GJ? Oh, what did you take? What did you take on GJ? What did you take? So looking at this goldie, you've made the top wick. If this flips over here, it could be nice to drive down. I mean, it's closed below as well. Still look at the 30-minute time frame. Interesting. Hourly doesn't look too nice. The 50-minute time frame breaks though this is low. It's right at them wicks though, which sucks actually. However, 19 pips stop. To the 4-hour flip would be 19 pips. That could be okay. No trade date. Yeah, looks like it's for the for London, but it was kind of hard, man. GJ hasn't really done anything, but that's fine. After it's been moving a lot. AJ, there was actually a trade which I did get into, but closed pretty much a break even. It was not a vibe. GJ entry was 163,792. 792. Oh wow. Break even hit. How's that 30 look? Yeah. This should be kind of nice if this wasn't as choppy for me. I think. If it wasn't as choppy. Fucking hell. I'm dying. They just started. Exactly, man. There's some people, to be fair, there's some people only trade London, right? So that sucks. Bitcoin is flying. Let's take a look. Let's take a look about that. Minus 8%. It's flying. God, yesterday, man, it's funny on TikTok. Everyone's like, "It's okay, guys. Just, you know," it's like them being like in a terrorist attack. They're just in like a building trying to calm them down. It's like, "Okay, guys, don't worry about it. We'll get out of here safe." It's like, fucking hell, not fun at all. Not fun at all. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys yesterday the trade we took NY session, which was the Goldie over here. Gold, baby, gold, gold, gold. So yeah, this was yeah, here with stop loss above there, and you've got all this room down to here, which is 20 pips, and then you'd be flipping the 4-hour and breaking the hourly lows. I'm breaking London lows. I'm getting into a trade over here, just got in. So that was the closure below. Very, very nice. Sell on Goldie, stop loss above the previous 15-minute. Sorry, 5-minute. And yeah, we'll see. First 5-minute trade over here. 3 touches. See the score. Sheesh! That was so nice as well because it just ran. It didn't just hit 10 pips, it just fucking ran at 14. It's tasty. It was bloody gorgeous, I tell you that. Fake out on Bitcoin. That's what they're hoping. Fake out on Bitcoin. There we go. So the buys over here may work out now. Breaking the highs. Broken 30-minute highs. How much would your stop speed there? Yeah, 15 pips is pretty beefy. 15 pipperoonies. Pepperoonies. Right, gold's coming up. 7 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. No good, no good. To continue back down, but as I said, these wicks here are a little bit shitty. Which session is more profitable? It all depends on the month, my man. Yeah, all depends on the month. What lot sizes should I use for a 5,000? You should use 0.5. Yeah. I think Bitcoin got no intrinsic value. Yep. I don't get the Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin, like they try and make it look like it's like the gold of crypto, but it doesn't have any fucking utilities. It's slow compared to some other ones. So yeah, I don't believe in it either. Dr. Dollar on another cell? Oh fuck. Oh. Oh. 2 L's.
Dr. Dollar at his finest again.
Call himself traveling trader. Ask which system is.
Wait, this is what he does.
Take a look at the 30. So, yeah, looking like we are breaking above. And it would have been nice if it actually did it. I mean, it is the 15 celery, which isn't too bad as well. It isn't too bad, but it isn't the best. I think it's just for the GJ, the strength of the candles. They're just so beefy. Like 500 candles are like 13 pips. Like, oh my god. Lots of dollars over trading. Yeah. I still think this will end up back down to the daily flip, which would be 18, 19 later on. Just done this retracement. To be honest with you, though, does anyone know? I actually want to kind of ask Cowell Henry this. Why the fuck is gold going down when everything's going down? It should be a safe haven. Why the fuck's gold going down? I not like it was going down a little bit, man. It was fucking... It's flying down. It was flying down yesterday. I was like, shit. Just kept on running. 5 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to close. No bottom wick. On the trend line start, do you wait for a wick then enter on the flip? It depends what you fancy. If you can get the stops above the previous without worrying, then yeah, I'd just do that. I'd wait for like maybe a little nipple. It depends how strong the candle closes and your stops and stuff. It's just all dependent on the scenario. Explains why gold's down and why it go down even further. Ah, nice. It's good then. 5 minute retesting. At the moment, this is looking a little bit shitty right now. So yeah, looking like GJ may hold the support. Interesting if it does. Be interesting if it does. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, but it's just in our awful range, right? Just don't really play with this. You're just gonna be slapped a little bit, I feel. I have a feeling. So, yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, it looks like this session is probably done. I mean, London session today's been pretty wank. There's been not much going on. Apart from that AJ would have worked out nicely. And the gold buys a little bit earlier before. I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the session. But yeah, I think I'm going to stop over here, guys. We're going to do the simulation session at 10 o'clock, so make sure to be there. for the simulation, and I'll see you guys then. Thank you very much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. But yeah, there wasn't much going on. Right, see you later, guys. Peace out.
See you later.
See you later, squad. Peace out. See you for NY. See you for NY. See you later, squad. GG's. Adios, amigos. Peace out, man.